Hello and welcome to another how-to video from Salem and Wildwood Division of Forest River. My name is Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for the Wildwood product line, and today we're going to be talking about your water heater. Make sure the water heater bypass is open to allow water to flow through the hot water heater. Make sure your water pump is on or you are hooked up to the city water connection depending on which system you intend to use. Turn the water heater switch to the on position. The switch is located on the monitor panel in most cases. You should hear the water heater start to click and light. You should also go outside and open the door to the water heater and check for a flame. If the water heater does not light, you may need to blow out the burn tube located on the exterior water heater access to clear out any debris.